Heart-touching romantic love story. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a young woman named Sophia. She was known throughout the village for her beauty, her kindness, and her gentle spirit. She spent her days tending to her garden, baking bread, and caring for her elderly parents. One sunny day, as Sophia was strolling through the meadow near her home, she heard a faint, sweet melody wafting through the air. Curious, she followed the sound until she came upon a young man sitting beneath a tree, strumming a guitar. His name was Lucas, and he had just moved to the village from the city. Sophia was immediately struck by Lucas's handsome face and the passion with which he played his guitar. They struck up a conversation, and before they knew it, the sun had set and the stars were twinkling overhead. They exchanged phone numbers and promised to keep in touch. Over the next few weeks, Sophia and Lucas began spending more and more time together. They went on long walks through the countryside, picnicked by the river, and shared stories of their hopes and dreams. Sophia found herself falling deeply in love with Lucas, and it seemed that he felt the same way. But one day, Lucas received a phone call from his job in the city. They needed him to come back immediately, and he wasn't sure when he'd be able to return to the village. Sophia was devastated, but she knew that Lucas had to do what was best for his career. Months passed, and Sophia tried to go about her daily life as best she could. But she couldn't shake the feeling that something was missing. She missed Lucas's laughter, his warmth, and the way his eyes lit up when he played his guitar. She wrote him long, heartfelt letters every week, but she didn't hear back from him. One day, Sophia received a surprise visitor. It was Lucas, standing on her doorstep with a bouquet of wildflowers and a sheepish grin on his face. He explained that he had been working long hours in the city, but he couldn't stop thinking about Sophia. He knew that he had to come back to the village to be with her. Sophia was overjoyed, and they spent the rest of the day catching up and reminiscing about their time together. As the sun began to set, Lucas took Sophia's hand and led her to a clearing in the woods. There, beneath the stars, he pulled out his guitar and began to play a song he had written just for her. As the sweet melody filled the air, Sophia realized that this was the moment she had been waiting for. She leaned in to kiss Lucas, and as their lips met, she knew that she had found her soulmate. From that day forward, they were inseparable, and their love continued to grow stronger with each passing day.